Backdoor, a key IELTS vocabulary word explained. Imagine you're in a spy movie sneaking into a high security building. How do you get in undetected? Through the back door, of course. Today, we're exploring the word backdoor, an essential vocabulary item for your IELTS preparation. Word type. Backdoor can function as both a noun and an adjective in English. Meaning, as a noun, a backdoor is a secondary entrance to a building, typically at the rear. However, it has taken on broader meanings in various contexts. In the world of technology, a backdoor refers to a hidden method of bypassing normal authentication in a computer system, network, or software application. As an adjective, backdoor describes something done secretively or indirectly, often to avoid official or proper channels. Word history. The term backdoor has been in use since the mid-16th century, originally referring to a literal door at the back of a house. Over time, its meaning expanded metaphorically to include hidden or secret methods of access or achievement. Antonyms. Some antonyms for backdoor include front door, main entrance, and official channel. Synonyms. Synonyms for backdoor include secret entrance, hidden access, and covert means. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use backdoor in different contexts. As a noun, the thieves entered the house through the back door while the family was away on vacation. In a technological context, the hacker installed a backdoor in the company's network, allowing unauthorized access to sensitive data. As an adjective, a politician used backdoor negotiations to secure support for the controversial bill. In a figurative sense, his connections in the industry provided a backdoor into the competitive job market. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing backdoor with backdoor. When used as a compound noun or adjective, it's written as one word, backdoor. However, when referring to a literal door at the back of a building, it's typically written as two words, backdoor. Another error is using backdoor too casually in formal writing. While it's a useful term, especially in technological contexts, in very formal situations, you might want to opt for more precise language like unauthorized access method or clandestine approach. Remember, backdoor is a versatile word that can add nuance to your English expression. Whether you're describing secret entrances, hidden computer vulnerabilities, or indirect methods of achieving goals, this word can help you express complex ideas concisely. Mastering such vocabulary will certainly boost your performance in the IELTS exam and beyond.